Live from Orlando, it's Hamcation. Hey there, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. If you've seen this particular clip before, it's because I'm using this as a generic open. That way I don't have to, I can cut between different things and make it easier to edit. So I hope you enjoy the content that's coming up for you right after the opening sequence. Hello everybody, once again, welcome back to Orlando, Florida for the 2025 or 2026 HamShackTV Hamfest Tour Fueled by HamRadioPrep World Radio League. Appreciate their support of this tour. This video is about FlexRadio. Let's check out and see what all Flex has got named. All right. So I'm not a Flex owner. I don't know a whole lot about those, but we know people that do know about them. So join us on our Thursday night streams to check it out. This is the CL9300. This is the Maestro. So when you buy a Flex, by default, it doesn't come with controls. The idea behind Flex is to hook it up to your computer. But if you like physical controls like I do, you'll want a Maestro as well. We scroll over here. Here's the Flex 3600, as well as the Maestro for that one as well. There's a Flex 8400. Now that one does have the screen built in and the controls built in.
It won't show up because
and then ultimately we come over here, and this is the big push right now. The big push. This is the Aurora. And I don't point down. This is the Aurora. So this is the big push by Flex right now. Incredible radio. Let me see here. I don't remember the power rating on it, but I know it's got. I think it does full. I think it may do a kilowatt, if I remember correctly. So that's FlexRadio, guys. Go check out Flex if you're interested in Flex. I will be very clear. They are quite expensive, but they're great. Absolutely great radios. Go check them out. FlexRadio. Until the next video, 73, we'll see you in the next one. AA4WX, WSCB 693.